Fitness is about being healthy and strong. It means having energy to do the things you love. When you are fit, you feel good inside and out. Fitness is not just about how you look, it is about how you feel. It is about having the energy to play with your kids, go for a hike, or dance the night away. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. It is about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Fitness is important for your physical health. It helps you maintain a healthy weight. It reduces your risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Being fit also improves your mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. When you exercise, you feel happier and less stressed. Fitness can also improve your sleep. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. This leaves you feeling refreshed and energized for the day ahead. Exercise has many benefits for your body and mind. It strengthens your heart and lungs. It improves your cardiovascular health, making your heart more efficient at pumping blood. Regular physical activity also helps you build strong bones and muscles. This can improve your balance and coordination. It also reduces your risk of falls and injuries, especially as you age. Exercise can also help you manage your weight. It burns calories and boosts your metabolism. This helps you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Setting realistic fitness goals is key to success. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small, achievable goals that you can gradually build upon. Instead of aiming to exercise for 30 minutes every day, start with 30 minutes 3 times a week. Instead of trying to run a marathon, aim for a 5K first. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way. This will help you stay motivated and on track. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Section 5. Creating a simple workout routine. Where to begin? Starting a workout routine doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, the simpler you keep it, the more likely you are to stick with it. Begin by setting up a dedicated workout space at home. Lay out your gym clothes and any equipment you might need, such as resistance bands, dumbbells, or a yoga mat. This will help you get into the right mindset and make it easier to start your workout. You can get a great workout at home or at the gym. Both environments offer unique benefits. At home, you have the convenience and privacy to exercise whenever you want. At the gym, you have access to a variety of equipment and classes that can keep your routine interesting. Whether you prefer the solitude of home workouts or the social aspect of the gym, the important thing is to stay consistent. The key is to find activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. This could be anything from jogging in the park, joining a fitness class with friends, or even dancing in your living room. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to look forward to your workouts. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. If you're new to exercise, begin with light activities like walking, gentle stretching, or beginner yoga. As your fitness level improves, you can start incorporating more challenging exercises. This gradual progression helps prevent injury and keeps you motivated as you see your progress. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're just starting out. It's important to take breaks when you need them and to pay attention to how your body feels. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to stop and reassess. Over time, you'll learn to recognize the difference between pushing your limits and overdoing it. Choose activities that you find fun and enjoyable. This could be anything from playing a sport with friends, dancing to your favorite music, or practicing yoga in a peaceful setting. The more you enjoy your workouts, the more likely you are to make them a regular part of your routine. This will make it more likely that you'll stick with your fitness routine. Setting small, achievable goals can also help keep you motivated. Celebrate your progress no matter how small, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. By finding joy in your workouts and staying consistent, you'll build a routine that supports your health and well-being for the long term. Section 6. Warming up. Preparing your body for exercise. Before each workout, it's crucial to warm up your muscles. Warming up is an essential part of any exercise routine, as it prepares your body for the physical demands ahead. It gradually increases your heart rate and blood flow, making your muscles more pliable and less prone to injury. This prepares your body for exercise and helps prevent injuries. By warming up, you are essentially giving your body a heads up that it's about to engage in more strenuous activity. This can significantly reduce the risk of strains, sprains, and other injuries that can occur when muscles are cold and stiff. A warm-up should last for about 5 to 10 minutes. This duration is sufficient to get your blood pumping and your muscles ready for action. It's important not to rush through this phase, as a proper warm-up can set the tone for a more effective and enjoyable workout session. Start with some light cardio, such as brisk walking or jogging in place. Light cardio activities are excellent for gradually increasing your heart rate. You can also try activities like jumping jacks or cycling on a stationary bike. The key is to choose something that gets you moving without causing fatigue. This will increase your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles. As your heart rate rises, more oxygen-rich blood is delivered to your muscles, which helps them perform better and reduces the risk of injury. You might start to feel a light sweat forming, which is a good indicator that your body is warming up. Follow your cardio with some dynamic stretching, which involves moving your joints through their full range of motion. Dynamic stretching is different from static stretching, as it incorporates movement and helps improve flexibility and range of motion. This type of stretching is particularly beneficial for activities that require a lot of movement and agility. Examples include arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. These exercises help to loosen up your joints and muscles, making them more responsive and less likely to get injured. Incorporating a variety of dynamic stretches can ensure that all major muscle groups are adequately prepared for the workout ahead. Section 7. Cardio, getting your heart pumping. Cardiovascular exercise, or cardio, is any activity that gets your heart rate up and increases your breathing. It's essential for heart health, weight management, and overall fitness. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week. You can spread this out over several days. Examples of moderate intensity cardio include brisk walking, swimming, and cycling. Vigorous intensity cardio includes running, jumping jacks, and high-impact aerobics. Section 8. Strength training, building strong muscles. Strength training involves using resistance to build muscle mass and strength. It's important for maintaining bone density, improving metabolism, and increasing overall strength. Aim to strength train all major muscle groups at least twice a week. You can use your body weight, free weights, resistance bands, or weight machines. Some examples of strength training exercises include squats, push-ups, lunges, and bicep curls. Start with a weight that is challenging but allows you to maintain good form. Section 9. Cooling down, allowing your body to recover. After each workout, take a few minutes to cool down. This helps your body return to its resting state and prevents dizziness. A cool down should last for about 5 to 10 minutes. Light cardio, such as walking, is a great way to cool down. This helps gradually lower your heart rate and breathing. Follow your cardio with some static stretching, which involves holding each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. This helps improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Section 10. Staying motivated. Tips for consistency. Staying motivated is key to sticking with your fitness routine. Set realistic goals, find activities you enjoy, and make sure they fit into your lifestyle. Tracking your progress is essential to stay motivated. Use a fitness journal or an app to log your workouts, meals, and milestones. This visual representation of your journey can be incredibly motivating. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can help you stay accountable and motivated. You can share your goals, push each other to do better, and make workouts more enjoyable. Encouragement from a friend can make a huge difference. Celebrate your successes together, whether it's completing a challenging workout or reaching a new personal best. Reward yourself for reaching your goals. This doesn't have to be anything major. Small rewards can be just as effective in keeping you motivated. It could be something as simple as buying yourself a new workout outfit, treating yourself to a healthy meal, or even taking a relaxing day off to recharge. New workout gear can be a great motivator. When you look good, you feel good, and that can translate into better performance during your workouts. Treating yourself to a nutritious meal can also be a great reward. It not only fuels your body, but also reinforces the healthy habits you're building. Don't forget the importance of rest and recovery. Incorporate activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and stretching into your routine to help your body recover and stay balanced. Continuously set new goals to keep yourself challenged and engaged. Whether it's running a longer distance, lifting heavier weights, or mastering a new yoga pose, having something to strive for keeps the journey exciting. Share your progress with others. Whether it's through social media, a fitness community, or just with friends and family, sharing your journey can provide additional motivation and support. Visualize your success, create a vision board, or simply take a few moments each day to imagine yourself achieving your goals. This mental practice can boost your confidence and keep you focused on your path. Remember, consistency is key. Celebrate your small victories, stay committed to your routine, and keep pushing forward. Your dedication will pay off in the long run. Section 11. You can do it. Starting a fitness journey can feel overwhelming, but remember, you don't have to be an athlete to be fit. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Listen to your body, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your successes along the way. You've got this.